Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I thought I should do my little skincare routine slash how I got rid of some of my acne and blackheads. And this video will focus on two main products that really saved my skin. Okay, so if I can go back into my skin history. As a teenager, I did really have a lot of hormonal and cystic acne. I struggled a lot with acne around my cheek area as well as my forehead and my chin. Now that I'm a bit older, I'm 21, my acne isn't that bad as it was in my teenage years. So I do get the occasional hormonal acne here around my chin and jawline. I do get a lot of blackheads around my hairline as well as on my nose. And then I also get that, you know, random spot on the forehead or right here. Like, I hate the little acne spots right here. I have a combination skin type, so dry in the outer areas and oily in my T-zone. I do have a sensitive skin as well, so I am very prone to getting redness in my skin. So around about 2 months ago, I think my skin was at its worst. I got little bumps here on my cheekbone that it wouldn't have necessarily wouldn't have pimples in it. It was just like little bumps that didn't go away no matter how much I exfoliated, no matter how much masks I used. It just didn't go away. I had like weird texture on my skin as well. Didn't have like any dry areas, but my face was out of control. Like, it was super sensitive. I got like oily within 2 to 3 hours of putting on makeup and putting powder, you know, setting it and everything like that. So my face was a little bit crazy. So I will pop little pictures up here so you guys can see how my skin really looked 2 months ago. Like acne scars, little cystic acnes, big ones, sore ones didn't, like, there was just like random bumps with like nothing in. I tried not picking my face, but you guys, it was so difficult. That's also a thing that I had to learn with this whole skincare process. So in that time I used like a normal like face cleanser, toner, and just a cream, like a moisturizer, and I thought like, okay, no, that is enough, until I got these two products. The products that I'm talking about is from an indie brand in South Africa, a local indie brand in South Africa, and they are the Cherish Beauty by Nature combination face oil and face serum. Because I just want to go more in depth about who and what Cherish Beauty is. So they are an indie brand here in South Africa, and they are owned by a nutrition consultant and natural cosmetic formulator. They use special oils and botanical extracts, pure essential oils that are 100% natural, organic, and with no additives or chemicals. They contain no parabens, no PEGs, no SLSs. Their products are cruelty-free and they are eco-friendly. Okay, so the face serum and cleansing oil come in amber bottles. This just protects them from the UV of the sun and just to keep the oils at a very high performance. So the cleansing oil comes in a 100 ml and it comes with a pump. Now, it doesn't come with a cap or anything, but it is very secure. You guys can see it feels very high quality as well. And then the little face serum comes with a medical dropper that looks like this, and both these products smell so good. Like, it smells like a spa. So the first thing that I would do in my skincare is just take off my little earrings, put a headband off, and take off my eyelashes. Then I will go in with a makeup wipe. You can use any wipe you want. I just want to take like the majority or the first layer of my makeup off with a makeup wipe. I feel like doing that, the cleansing oil that I'm gonna use can really go into my pores and purify and clean and, you know, get rid of that excess makeup. So I would go in with one little pump of the cleansing oil and I will massage it into my skin for around about 60 seconds. Okay, so after massaging the oil into your skin for around about 60 seconds, you want to leave it on for around about 1 to 2 minutes. So then you want to go in and take a clean washcloth, run it under hot water, not scorching hot, you know, just until it's a little bit steamy. And then what you want to do is gently press the cloth against your skin. This will ensure that the product goes even more deeper. It opens up your pores and you can like gently wipe away the oil and the excess makeup and gunk and everything like that. And I use a witch hazel and rose water. This is very good for toning my skin as well as reducing the redness. It is also good for very sensitive skin. It just calms down the skin a little bit because I have like a lot of redness in my skin. Then I would go in with the second Cherish Beauty product, and it is the face serum for combination skin. I like to just drop a pea-sized amount in my palm, rub it like once or twice, and then gently pat it all over my skin. And then what you want to do is wait 5 minutes before going in with your normal or daily moisturizer. That will just make sure that all of the products are locked into your skin. So these two products are the main products that help me clear up my skin. I must say the first 2 weeks my skin purged all of the gunk and grime that was under my skin, and it was like 2 weeks after that my skin really started looking great. I did this religiously every morning and night, and now I just do it at nighttime so my skin can, you know, rejuvenate and repair throughout the night with the help of these oils. So little tips and tricks that I also use to speed up clearing my skin and acne was to regularly wash my makeup brushes. I know it's a schlep, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So I just wash them once a week to make sure that they are clean. And my second tip would be to wash your pillowcases. So I do that once a week as well. And the last tip is to not pick your pimples or to not pick at acne. Also very guilty of that. What initially happens is you pick at a little pimple and then that spreads the bacteria all around your face, creating more pimples and acne and everything like that. So yeah, that is my tips and tricks to help speed up the clearing of your acne, as well as the two main products that help me clear up my skin. I will list these two products and the website of Cherish Beauty down below. I will also list the other products that I used down below. I really hope this video helped you guys to see what products I use to help clear up my skin. Let me know down in the comments below which acne fighting products or skincare products is your favorite or that you use regularly. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Also subscribe down below to get more videos of me. Also click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.